Welcome to the Aligned Soul Entertainment Podcast, where you get to be human and quantum leap. I'm your host and transformational mentor, Christine Michelle. Let's talk manifestation, magic, and all things entertaining, because life was meant to be fun. So let's go have some. Hello. This podcast is brought to you by the Quantum Manifesting Academy. QMA is the 6-week group coaching program where you get to shift and become what you desire fast, because quantum leaps get to be #normal for you. This group program is amazing and it's facilitated by me. Check the link in the show notes to find out more. But it includes one-to-one access, it includes group videos, it includes a lot of hot seat coaching and more. Check the link in the show notes and let's get to the show. Hello. It is Christine Michelle, and today is going to be a really quick audio, but I had the best experience. You guys know I work on a lot of shadow work, and I really like to dive in deep, right? To create space and make space for you to manifest what you desire. Right? You know, I believe that it's the woo plus to do. And I also believe that, yes, you get to be high vibe and I am the vibration lifter, but I'm also the energy shifter. And it really is about getting in there and clearing. And so I wanted to talk to you about the benefits of the yawn. I have been clearing out massive amounts of energy to make space for all of the women that are coming into the Quantum Manifesting Academy. If you don't know about that, check the show notes. The Quantum Manifesting Academy is opening at the start of the new moon in October. And so I've been doing a lot of journaling, a lot of questions. I've pulled some cards, just really tapping into my intuition about what's going on. And when I get there, I ask the questions, I'm journaling, I'm really releasing things. Then after I do my release and my shift process, which is, I will be teaching that in the Quantum Manifesting Academy. It's an energetic process to go in and shift and transmute the energy while you are releasing it from all of your physical body, your energetic bodies, your past, present, future, your ancestral timelines, all of that stuff. Once you release that, you might find yourself yawning. Right? And then when you go to the next step, which is going into EFT to shift it some more and then to embed those new beliefs and that new story with the second and third rounds of EFT, you will notice yourself yawning a ton. And so I've been looking around and I knew yawning was significant spiritually. And what yawning means, right? What yawning is doing is, it is releasing stuck energy. Right? It's releasing energy blockages to allow energy to flow and circulate, which is amazing, especially with EFT. That just shows you that EFT, you're tapping those meridians and you're moving the energy around. And you'll know when you're yawning, it is a response to, one, release and push out all of what if the quote unquote negative emotions or whatever that is stuck energy was. And so the next time, if you're moving through some things, if you're doing some shadow work and you find yourself yawning, or if you're doing one of my EFT videos that I have, like the money EFT video, the confidence, whatever, if you're doing one of those videos and you find yourself yawning, yawn, allow yourself to yawn and release, because those yawns are really releasing all of the dense, stuck energy. And it is amazing signal to you that your subconscious is helping you release that unwanted energy and creating more space for you. You have detached all that stuck energy that might have been in your body, feeling like heaviness or fatigue or headaches or whatever. You're releasing all of that. And now you're opening space to put in those beautiful new beliefs that align with the you being her now, align with the identity of the woman who is manifesting what she desires. So, yawn away. So, all of that, that's all I have to say today. Hugs and kisses, all of the feels. Yawn your booty off, be her now, and take aligned soul action. Bye. Thank you for listening to the Aligned Soul podcast. And if you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed recording it for you, please leave a 5-star review. It will help get this podcast out to even more people, and I get to have more fun with you. Also, come join the Aligned Soul Collective, which is my free Facebook group that is growing with a whole bunch of women that love to talk about entertainment, the manifesting, quantum shifting, and all of the things. And remember, never forget to just be her now and take aligned soul